The Compassion of King Shardulakarna Damamukanidana Sutra, Chapter 26. A very long time ago, in Jambudvipa, reigned a very compassionate king named Shardulakarna. He ruled over many small countries, and his people loved him because he was always concerned for their welfare. One day, astronomers informed the king that Mars had appeared in the sky, which meant there would be no rain for the next 12 years. The people would face severe drought and famine. The king, deeply concerned, asserted, "How will the people survive without rain?" After consulting his ministers, the king decided to take an inventory of everyone's food supplies to see if they could hold out for the 12 years. The results showed that each person would only have less than a liter of food a day, which meant that everyone would starve. The king asserted to himself, "I've got to find a way to save everyone." So he decided to sacrifice himself and be reborn as a great fish to feed the people with his own flesh. He jumped into the great river and quickly became a huge fish. One day, 5 carpenters came to the riverbank. The great fish spoke to them in human language and said, "Are you hungry? You can eat my flesh and take some home to feed the others." The carpenters were delighted, and after they had eaten their fill, they told others. Soon, everyone came to the riverside to eat the flesh of the great fish. Every time one side of the fish's flesh was eaten, it turned over to let the other side grow back. This went on for 12 years, and the big fish saved everyone with its flesh. Later, the Buddha told Ananda that King Shardulakarna of the time was himself, and that the 5 carpenters were the 5 bhikkhus of today. The Buddha also said that because they were the first to eat the flesh of the great fish and form a bond with the Buddha, they were the first to hear the Dharma after the Buddha's enlightenment. Reflections. This story teaches us the importance of compassion and selfless devotion. King Shardulakarna was willing to sacrifice his own life to save his people, a spirit worth emulating. We should learn to care about others and help those in need, in order to make the world a better place. King Shardulakarna's compassion shows us the true meaning of selfless giving. Only by being selfless can we become Buddha. Let's all strive to be selfless and loving, to help those around us and to fill the world with love and hope.